Hello friends, today I am going to discuss in CMA Inter Cost FM. In Cost FM we have to study in the cost of capital. In that there is one topic that is a right issue. On that topic I am going to discuss today. Right issue. Okay. Look at here. I am going to explain the same things with the basis of one example. That example is the most important for understanding point of view. Suppose one company has existing 2 lakh shares. Okay, out of 2 lakh shares, one group which has 80,000 equity share, and that is the other 61 lakh 20,000 shares. This group of people has united, and control of the company is having this group. These are not united, they are separate, and these groups has no any conversation to each other. In this case, a company has to raise some money, and that money company wants to raise from the right issue. The company wants to raise from the right issue, and that right issue company wants to raise from the right issue. And suppose company is going to raise 1 lakh new shares, 1 lakh new shares. Okay, company want to raise from the right issue 1 lakh new shares, 1 lakh new shares. This group wants to purchase these all the shares, but as per company law, there must be right to get the share these groups also, these persons also. That's why company law has made a provisions law for any shares, allotting any shares. You must have to ask whether these persons are going to purchase these shares or not. If they are not interested to purchase, then these shares can be purchased by this. Okay, in this case, suppose the market price of the share existing is rupees 50. Now these shares are issued by the right at the rate of rupees 30. There must be the price lower than the market price. Right issue, so these shares are issued from the right. It means for 2 lakh shares, 2 lakh existing shares, 1 lakh new right issue are going to be taken. Okay, it means 2 lakh is to 1 lakh. It means 2 is to 1. It means the person having 2 shares will have a right to buy 1 shares from the right share at the rate of rupees 30. At the rate of rupees 30. In this case, we need to calculate assumed price. Assumed price. How to calculate assumed price? Assumed price is calculated as 50 is the market price for 2 shares. 50 is the market price for 2 shares plus 1 is the 30 is the market price for 1 share. 30 is the market price for 1 share. This divided by existing share is 2 plus 1, that is 100 plus 30, that is 3, 130.3. This is 43.33 is the presumed market price. Now we have to calculate what is the gain value of right share. So what is the value of right share? That is calculated as value of right share here. Value of right share. Existing market price was 50. After right issue, market price going to be 43.33, and this is by 6.67. This is the value of right share, 6.67. Okay, this can be calculated by this way also, alternative way. This can be done by alternative way. How will you calculate the alternative way? This, look at here. Now share, these are going to, one share is benefited by 20 rupees. How one share is benefited by 20? Because of 50 was price, it is available in 30, that is 20 means existing 20. This 20 comes existing price minus right issue price, right issue price divided by existing number of share plus existing number of share plus right share, right share. This is the for right issue, number of right share. Okay, the 20 rupees is a benefited for one right shares, one share, one share. Two was existing, one is a right. For two shares, one right share is getting. This is 20 by 3. This is also 6.67. So the value of right is calculated either by assumed price or by this way. This is a existing price minus assumed price. This is existing price minus assumed price. Okay. Now look at here. This is the questions. What is the right issue? Look at, when the shares are offered to existing shareholder in proportion of the existing shareholding, it is called a right issue. Then the existing shareholder will have a right to subscribe the first balance. It is left over will be offered to the public for the subscription to private placement. Okay, first right to subscribe the shares, existing shareholders. When the sales X right, offered price, that price I am done the formula. These are the things, but I have done this directly. Okay, value of right, come right share prices, X right share prices, that is the weighted, that is the value of right. Okay, now I'm going to do one questions, right issue. Look at here. In this case, illustration number 7. Bombay Cotton Mills Limited makes a right issue at rupees 5 a share for one share for every 4 shares. 4 share. One share in place of 4 share. If you have 4 share, then you are able to purchase one right shares. One right share. One right share. Okay. Before the issue, there are 10 million shares. 10 million means 1 crore. 10 million means 100 lakh. 100 lakh. This much shares. 100 lakh. That is 100 lakh. Okay. 10 million shares. Outstanding the shares. Price of rupees 6. And these are the at a rate of rupees 6. Based on the above information, you are required to calculate the total number of new money raised. Total money of new money raised. How much? The right issue price is rupees 5. Current price is rupees 6. Then 1 lakh share, you are going to provide 4 share. In place of 4, you are going to give 1 right shares. Then how many right share you will issue? 5. 25 lakh. 25 lakh. Now the question is how much price you are going to raise from this. So in 25 lakh, you are going to raise at the rate of rupees 5, 125 lakh money you are going to raise. Okay, this is given here, 125 lakh. In second part, how many value of one right are required to buy one shares? One right required. So for 4 share, you will buy 4 right. You should have 4 rights. Okay, that is the number of rights required to buy one share, that is the 4. If you have 4 shares, then you have a right to buy 1 shares. Okay. Now value of right, this is calculated, but we can calculate by this way. One right share you are going to receive, and due to getting this right share, you have how much benefit? Out of 6 rupees market price, you are going to receive rupees, you are going to receive in rupees 5, and one share, one right share. So that is number of share is 4. You had shares, one you have already purchased from the right shares. Then this is rupees 1 divided by 5, and this is 0.20. This is a benefit that it is asking here. Okay. Prospective x right price, what will be the x right price? X right price will be existing price is rupees 6, due to the right benefit is the rupees 0.20. X right price is rupees 5.80. X right price is rupees 5.80. In this way, this question is completed. Okay. Thank you, class.